Well, student fee battles continue in the streets. Small victories are being claimed in the courts. The EFF Student Command and the Black Lawyers Association's student chapter took on Unisa and won. The High Court has set aside the university's decision to cut the 2021 intake by 20,000. Ian says Barry Bateman has the details.
The fight for free education is back on the streets, and it has turned deadly. But part of the fight is also being waged in the courts, where the EFF Student Command and the Black Lawyers Association student chapter had a Unisa decision reviewed and set aside. Higher Education Minister Bladen Zemande instructed Unisa to cut its new student intake by 20,000. This was due to an over-enrollment the previous year, and the impact this would have had on student funding scheme NSFAS. But a cabinet decision in the wake of deadly protests this week appears to have settled, in part, the funding question.
Cabinet agreed that funding should be reprioritized from the budget of the Department of Higher Education and Training in order to ensure that all deserving NSFAS qualifying students are able to receive funding support for the 2021 academic year.
Nzimande says this decision will allow registration to continue as planned, and the registration period has been extended until Friday. Unisa says it will first study the judgment before deciding on how to respond. The university says whatever that decision may be, it will be taken with the best interests of students in mind. Meanwhile, the Congress of South African Students has threatened to shut down every campus this week. Among the main demands is the cancellation of historical debt. Barry Bateman, Pretoria.